Hey everyone, Paul Giese here, sales specialist here at LDV, and today we're taking a look at John Shewmaker's new 22-foot MT-55 gas van. Let's take a look around. This truck also has a 7 kilowatt Onan gas generator on a slide out tray for easy maintenance. Front header here, we have our built-in sunglass display. Alright, so in the workstation area here, we have some light gray slat wall. It's convenient to put the diagnostics cradles up here for display. A couple comfort items in the workstation area here. We have a flip down seat, a metal cash register with a lock. On the ceiling here we have a piece of powder coated metal for any magnetized product. On this side we have a repair stack with the repair drawers and also a 6-drawer socket center. Here we have the commercial refrigerator with the Snap-on logo. In the open box areas we have the swirl plate option with the beveled edge. Bottom here we have plenty of extra storage in these 8-inch deep overstock drawers. For those times that you're not carrying a roll cart, we have our 3-shelf mobile retail center that fits into this back box area. In the back door here you see we have a 32-inch monitor that has a built-in weatherproof enclosure. So inclement days you can just roll this down and not worry about your TV getting wet when the door's open.